Hello, art friendos.
Hello from the new apartment 2.0.
Yeah, it's got a table. Look at this.
This is the table from the same place.
This is a very special table. This used to be Brundle's table, and in his will he left it to us, which I really appreciate, and also feel very sorry for him because the first video we're doing with the table, I can't believe they've done this.
I can't believe you've been gifted this.
It's rock painting, but with anime.
We've had quite a few requests. For some reason, there are so many different types of rock painting kits. You'd think that rock painting is already like niche enough as it is, but no.
We interrupt this broadcast to bring you 5 rock painting kits that actually exist. Galaxy rocks, not from space. Neon rocks, for when you want to feel extra colorblind. Peppa Pig rocks, because painting on real pigs is a crime. Princess rocks, to throw at the commoners. Kind rocks, because kindness rocks.
This is awful. It's only got 2 stones. It's a good job there's only 2 of us. It's only got 2 stones.
Well, don't make any mistakes because you only get 1. Look at how many rocks they have on this box. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12. Oh my god, and up here.
That's
13,
a big one.
14. There are 14 rocks on this package.
I know, it's kind of, it doesn't feel like there's 14 rocks. It feels pretty sparse in there. Should we get this open? I want to see. I'm so mad, but I want to see.
We'll link above to our previous rock painting video because...
Oh, when we expose the truth of it, yeah? The dark truth of rock painting? Yeah, watch that one
I think this
first.
one's about to get darker.
Right, here it is. I want to... Oh, this is hard with one hand. Oh, I'm in.
I have 2 perfectly good hands over here.
Oh, they are. You are a hand model, my dear. Let's get in there.
Oh no, not those pens. I learned my lesson last time.
Oh, that looks like some mustard dip that I had today. It's the same colour
as that dip you had, it is. Whoa. These are nice big flat rocks.
Yeah, I have to admit, looking at this.
One's considerably bigger than the other.
Yeah, that is. Oh no, that's not fair. But they're bigger and they don't have that chalky substance on. These are literally just stones. But I like that they're flat. That's already so much better.
It's a better drawing surface.
I like that one. What else?
Oh, I like that one best.
Well, tough I'm having. We've got 2 sticks and a paintbrush.
What are the sticks for?
You must be referring to our 2 dotting tools, dear.
Oh, the dotting tools. Those are just
They're not just sticks. These are professional
just
implements. And there's apparently a book in here too.
It's more of a leaflet. Or
It's the instruction book, because I don't know how to paint rocks. Oh my god. What? Erasers? They didn't give us tape? They didn't give us any of this.
I think this stuff is things you're supposed to provide yourself.
Ooh!
Painting an anime eye on a rock.
It actually suggests that we paint 2 eyes to make a face.
Well, we've only got 1 rock each, so... and they're very different sizes.
Honey,
It'd be a bit of a funny face.
Honey, faces are sisters, not twins. They tell you to pencil sketch it. Where's my pencil?
We'll have to provide our own pencils.
I can't believe I've got bigger rocks outside. I'm never going to let this go, guys.
Okay, the real question is, are we going to use the paints provided?
No! What we got? I got black, white, blue, and yellow.
Adam's colourblind.
Blue and blue?
That's one of them's purple.
Which one?
Which one? This one is purple.
That's not.
This one is blue.
That's a blue. Which one? No. They're dead to me anyway. I don't want them.
Let me have a little look through this booklet.
Oh.
I want to see everything that you get for your money's worth.
A cute rabbit. Okay, that's cute. I like the rabbit.
A manga portrait. That looks more like something that you'd do.
Okay, credit to this one. I like that it gives you like variations and like little tutorials and stuff. I think that is quite sweet. Oh, and there's some about the person that did it too.
I think that the other one actually had like a few ideas that you could follow along. Unless it was the box that I was copying.
I think you were copying the box.
The other one was very bare bones,
okay.
But it did come with googly eyes.
Oh.
Although, I'm not sure if manga would really work with googly eyes.
Oh my god, that would be incredible. I'd love that. Okay, Well, the book thing, I like that. That's pretty good. So far, so good. I enjoy that. The rocks are flatter and better to actually draw and paint on. That's another plus point.
What are you drawing?
Trying to draw a face.
Oh, you're going to do a whole face?
Yeah, I wanted to do the portrait thing. Give that a go.
Now, I quite like the idea of doing the manga eye. I feel like that is a classic.
Oh,
when
yeah.
you were in high
yeah.
school and you're wanting to learn how to draw, you have a go at doing the good old anime eye.
Everyone's done one of those, right?
I mean, I'm not sure if this rock is the best
You got the
shape
biggest
or
one. I don't
size,
want to
but-
hear no complaints from you.
I wanted that one. That's a good eye shape.
You got the
This
biggest.
one's like really long and
It
straight.
can be like a goat eye if you do it that way. Or like a crocodile.
Yeah, I wonder if I should do it in typical like anime style, which will probably come out really bad because I don't draw those.
I wanna see
normally.
it.
Or do I draw something more so in my style? I feel like it would be most anime of me to go, is this lengthways?
Yeah, that's right. Top to bottom.
Top to bottom. Yeah. It feels more like the Pokemon eye style.
Oh yeah, that's not a bad idea.
Let me see what this tutorial
Yeah,
recommends.
using the references.
I need all the help I can get.
Hang on, let me move mine out of the way because this is kind of easy mode for me. I'm pretty much ready to start using the paint already.
It's all like drawing on rocks. It's such an awkward shape.
Steph's review, too hard.
You can't even really see it because pencil lead is very similar to the colour of rocks.
Ooh, that's actually quite sharp. I quite like that. Normally they're quite feathered on the ends. I like that it goes to a sharp.
And it looks like the paint's already in the nib, which is interesting because with Poscas you've got to like
pump.
you got to go bam, 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 bam.
Let's move these bad boys over here.
Yeah, these might be the best thing for the rock painting because some of the other markers that we have are a lot thicker, and because of the smaller surface areas, I think the little points.
Ooh. Oh yeah, it does. It works. Kind of like a brush. I think you'll really like them because it works very similar to a brush pen, hun.
Definitely seem different to the Posca brush pens, which we've never properly reviewed on the channel before, but we have used them in our own personal time.
Yes,
And
with in personal stuff. Yes.
they are. I'm not a huge fan of the Posca brush pens.
They're all right. Yeah, I think it really depends on your art style. I know that sounds like a bit of a cop-out answer, but I feel like some art styles lean better to brush ones.
And because it's paint pens, it's a good idea to let layers like dry before you go in.
It seems to be quite dry. The eyes that I did at the start,
Yeah,
those are dry.
dry.
They're not wet anymore. Let me just try, just for the sake of how well these go down. Can I borrow the white one for a
Yeah,
sec?
sure. I'm excited to see like how opaque that is.
Yeah, I want to do the eye whites just next to it here. So let's have a... Oh, you know, that's not too bad at all. Look at that. Considering, again, the grey, I'm going to say, of the stone.
I like that with this kit, we're really letting you and your artistic talent shine, and we're really putting me through the ringer of doing like
Oh, boss, Steph. Oh, dear.
This really puts the pressure on me to do a good job.
Oh, you always do.
It's our first art video in the new place. We have to prove that we haven't forgotten how to draw in the length of time we've been moving.
We haven't, oh my god, we haven't forgotten. What are you on about? I tell you, like, again, these were a gift from a patron called Tara, which we do really appreciate, but I have to say, I'm very impressed with the opacity on these. Like, we're using it on, you know, a freaking rock. And it's doing really, really well so far. Oh, is it your turn? Yes, yes, yes.
This is going to be the ugliest anime you guys have ever seen.
I think you'll like how these go down and like how...
Oh yeah, that's going on really nicely.
You know, like how much give the nib has? The nibs are very, very soft. They're not like stiff or hard, they're very soft, so you can fan it out. And Steph really likes that kind of brush pen.
it feels kind of similar to like the Kuretake Mangaka pens.
Yes, oh my god, yeah. If you've ever tried those, yeah, very similar to that actually.
Oh no, I can't see the manual anymore. I was looking at the tutorial. Oh wait, there's one
you got one on the box?
On the box over here.
Oh, I didn't realise you were referencing it, sorry.
Yeah, you hater.
I just don't want you to win. I want to be the manga boy. Me. It's me, the Animal, the manga boy. I shouldn't sass you too much because I'll need your help with colours eventually. I'm very proud
I'm
of
still
you.
putting like my own spin on it.
Oh good, because I like your style.
Hey, you told me not to go with my style.
That was the competitive side of me coming through.
Yeah, hater.
No! I don't want to be a hater in the first video back. Oh, that's looking good. What are you talking about? That's looking really good.
He's just hyping it up because I don't have confidence, right?
It's good, guys. Comment down below. Don't you think she's doing a good job? Steph never does anime stuff, right? So.
And now, a colorblind moment with Adamo.
Okay. Oh, you're experimenting with the colours. Okay. Is this like a peachy skin tone?
Yes, that's green.
Oh, yikes. Oh, she would have been Shrekified. That's like a just out of the shower pink, isn't it? That's the colour you are. 'Cause, oh my god, Steph has the hottest showers ever.
No, this one might be more shower Steph pink.
That one's better. That one's kind of like boiled crab.
That's what I look like when I come out the shower.
Do you guys have hot showers? I've never known anyone like it. Like I like quite cold ones. In the morning sometimes I'll have a cold one. But Steph, oh my god, when you walk into the kitchen, it's like the hottest, it's like the sun. It's terrible.
Into the kitchen, you're gonna have to elaborate why I'm having a shower in the kitchen.
Oh, the kitchen's next to the bathroom, sorry. She's not sat in the sink.
Me having the hottest shower.
When you guys were babies, did you ever have a bath in the sink? I think my mum bathed me in the sink once. You know when you're a baby and you can just fit anywhere?
Good times.
It's like, thanks for fulfilling this dream, Mum, of me feeling like a kitchen utensil.
This black is so opaque, which is wonderful, but it's also
great.
terrifying.
No, I have to admit the pigment goes down so well on these. I'm genuinely very impressed with them. Like these could give, because I know Posca do their own version of a brush paint pen, but I think that these ones with the brush tips, these Arrtx ones, could easily give Posca a run for the money, and I think these are
like
cheaper.
these better than the Posca.
Than the Poscas, yeah.
One day we'll do like a comparison.
Oh, I'd be well down for that. But yeah, these are cheaper as well, so something to think about, guys, if you want to test it. If you find them out in the wild, maybe in singles, and you want to give them a try, I would definitely pick one or two of these up and give them a try. Even if you just pick up the black and white ones, you know, you could do a lot with those.
I'm really struggling with my tremor to do like the eyeliner of this eye, which is
relatable
relatable because I also struggle with doing my own eyeliner. And no, this is a challenge. I've got to do it all by myself.
You know I don't like it when you struggle. I feel bad. You are doing a very good job, I have to admit. Because you're doing something out of your comfort zone with the style, the medium, the art supply. We've really chucked Steph in not just the deep end, like the middle of the ocean. But you're doing a really good job. So here's what we managed to create using this actually pretty cool manga rock art set. I thought it was pretty good and I had a good time. If you want to support us, do check out our Ko-fi, Patreon and our Redbubble store. And don't forget to subscribe so we can see you next time for another Doodle date.